We got another one. It's Get Lace Reviews, and you got your boy Thumbs, Screen Thumb Chulo. And we have here another good one. I like them. It's a collab, a Jordan 5, the A Ma Maniere, or Maniere, A Ma Maniere. They do pretty decent collabs. Nice box. Box not destroyed this time. That's good. These are the Dawns. This is not, I thought it would be leather. This is some type of light suede for sure. Got the 23 stitched in there. I think how they incorporated the A's in the midsole. It's pretty crazy. The Nike Air on the back, the stitching, the blue stitching. See, I like these because of the blue. I needed some blue shoes. Now this seems like it might be a little uncomfortable. The boot, I like how it's cut on the top part of it. Could rub, possibly. I have to put them on foot. Oh, that's crazy. Even the inner sole is embroidered Nike Air. That's real cool. I see the difference on the Dusk and Dawn pair. There's riding in the air bubble. The shoe tie, it's the clear one. A little blue stain. These are the Jordan 5 A Ma Maniere Dawns. The A Jumpman. That's cool though, the Jumpman on one and the A on the other. Same thing at the bottom of it. I got these for the personal collection. I didn't like the Dusk pair. They were entirely too plain for me. But those are doing the best in the resale market because they only dropped on A Ma Maniere's website. And these dropped on sneakers and all other websites. So right now, let's talk about it. We keeping them to rock, or we're gonna try to make a couple of dollars off of them and let them fly. I'm gonna keep them, but you could make a few dollars off of them in the streets. $225, so $245. So right now, if you buy them off the internet after fees, they're gonna be $300. Yeah, so your only option would be to sell them in the streets. Because after fees, you can break even on the internet. Or I'm pretty sure if you hold these though. Now the hold, if we talk about the hold, is a 6-month hold. 6 months they'll be $320, easy on the internet. But I like them. Cause I need to look up what kind of material that is. And with them being white, people are gonna mess them up and need a fresh pair. Because there haven't been a pair of Jordans with the 23 on the side stitch come out like this in a while. You can barely see the 23 on the other pair, but because they're black on black. But there you have it. These are the Jordan 5 A Ma Maniere Dawns. Yep, the Dawns. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.